This is T. Evans with MarineMax, Greenville, South Carolina. This is a 2004 Chaparral 226 SSI, 641 hours on it. It's powered with a MerCruiser 350 mag, 300 horsepower. The boat, as you can actually see in the pictures and videos posted, is in immaculate condition. Gel coat's excellent. All interior's excellent. Vinyl, there's no rips, tears, cuts, dashes, as you see. I mean, it's very well taken care of boat. Very great condition. Floor is perfect. The carpet's very clean. We got it stored away because we don't want to get it mildewed out here sitting in the weather with the cover on it. But as you see, the upholstery is phenomenal. Stereo units right here. Again, this is a 2004 Chaparral 226 SSI with 641 hours, 350 mag. Boat does not include trailer, but there is one available. See how well taken care of this boat was. Engine compartment is flawless. So give us a call here at MarineMax, Greenville, South Carolina.